go in. We're gotta get rid of those nasty little bugs. Hop, hop. Hop, hop on the couch. Look, Mommy has the flea comb. Oh boy. Okay, come on, Walter. Let's get rid of those fleas. Attaboy. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Good job, Jackson. Ooh, no fleas on you. You're good. Okay, Walter, your turn. Let's look. Oh, no flea there. No flea there. You're okay. Okay, Walter, you know what? Time to do your tummy. Come on, roll over. Do the tummy. Come on. That's good. Mommy's gonna do your tummy. That's a boy. Oh, how does that feel, Walter? Huh? Are you a happy boy? Mommy? No, Mommy can't find any fleas. You look like you're okay to me. Yes, you do. Okay. Good boy. Good boy.